Make no mistake, the G-B001MVE-9 is not just a simple recreation of a classic G-Shock watch. This timepiece is full of fun surprises, including its vibrant yellow packaging and colourway. The original DW-001 first made its appearance in 1994 and featured a thermometer and signature Capsule Tough case. G-Shock has recreated that vintage yellow and red colourway from the series and given it more than a few upgrades. This watch is pretty big with a 50.3mm length, 47mm width and 18.7mm height. The original DW-001 earned the nickname Jason for its mask-like appearance and small bore holes at the bottom of the case. This allowed the thermometer to measure more accurately. And those features return, but now you can unmask the Jason to reveal an ion-plated metal bezel. If this yellow capsule look wasn't eye-catching enough, the steel has been given a mixture of gold and cobalt blue with a brilliant gradient clash. This isn't the only removable aspect of the watch either. G-Shock spoils us with a choice of a blue, green and orange case and strap too. In terms of aesthetics, you can tell G-Shock was really having fun with this watch. You can mix and match however you like and you'll have no trouble leaving the stainless steel bezel out on display either. The G-B001MVE-9 has been crafted with a carbon core guard structure, which means it's not only incredibly tough but lightweight too. We've come to expect this on new G-Shock releases, so it's nice to get this update on such a classic timepiece. Onto the back, and we can see the urethane back cover that completes the Capsule Tough design. It also contains two red urethane wings that add some comfort but mostly impress with their look. The vibrant yellow band and blue option both have decorative openings near their top, which completes this rugged industrial look. In terms of modern functionality, this G-Shock has the lot. 20 bar water resistance and a very strong shock resistance mean that you can wear this watch practically anywhere. Positive digital display is easily readable and will help you track dwell time and keep a stopwatch or timer. And because this is a modern G-Shock watch, you can also connect it to your smartphone. When you connect your timekeeping to your phone, you get a more accurate reading and you can adjust your settings more easily. Overall, this is a very fun watch to play around with, and definitely a unique look for G-Shock. There's a lot of versatility in the bezel and strap combos, which means you can match the watch easily with your outfits. If you're looking for a watch that makes a statement, the G-B001MVE-9 is for you.